Stonington Kelp Company is a small, restorative ocean farm growing sugar kelp in the Fishers Island Sound. We farm in state waters off the shores of Stonington, Connecticut. The farm is owned by me, Susie, and my husband Jay. We grow sugar kelp using a rope method and practice zero-input farming, which means we use no fertilizer, no fresh water, and no land. And if that isn't good enough, kelp also absorbs carbon and nitrogen from our local waterways. It cleans our oceans. Unfortunately, most of the seaweed people eat in the U.S. is farmed overseas, leaving a large carbon footprint from delivery and no benefit to our waterways. But we're changing that by growing food-grade seaweed right here in our local waters. Kelp is a nutrient-dense superfood and its popularity is growing. You can find it as a salad, in smoothies, as a noodle, as a spice, and as a wrap. We hope to help you find it at your local grocery store as well. We want to take this native and sustainable superfood and get it on the plates of more people in our community. With the FedEx Small Business Grant, I know we can achieve great things with kelp.